Hey guys, we just got finished up at Twisted Grilled Cheese out here on Washington. Check out our experience. Oh, look at RC.
What up, guys? Hey, this Ricky Chavez team down here off of Washington Street. You know, the funny thing that everybody on the team makes fun of me, my favorite food is grilled cheese. So we had team photos today, and they'll go with me no matter, as long as I'm buying. So we went to get grilled cheese.
All right, Doug, tell me what you think.
Oh, cool, man.
Good? Brian, where are we at on that?
About 8 or 9.
Sing. Talk to me about it. What you're eating, man.
It's a cheeseburger.
That's it?
Really good. Bro,
It's grilled cheese.
I
You're not
talk
gonna be
about
mad
it, cool,
about it.
baby. Come on.
Chef's kiss.
Ooh.
So good.
Yes! Yes!